Your brain isn't always where you think it is. Right now, someone with ADHD is sitting at a desk, eyes open, technically awake, and parts of their brain are asleep. Not metaphorically, literally asleep. A new study out of Monash University and the Paris Brain Institute, published this week in the Journal of Neuroscience, found that adults with ADHD experience significantly more local sleep, brief bursts of slow brain waves, typically reserved for deep slumber while they are fully awake and attempting to focus. The research compared 32 adults with ADHD against 31 neurotypical adults performing sustained attention tasks. The ADHD group didn't just space out more. Their brains were measurably, physically shutting off in small patches right before every missed task, every slow reaction, every moment that looks, from the outside, like carelessness or laziness. Think of your brain like a city. The whole city's awake, but certain neighborhoods, the ones responsible for paying attention, quietly kill the lights for a second. Nobody notices, except you pay the consequences. But here's the part no one's really talking about. This isn't just a curiosity. It's a potential indictment of how we've been treating ADHD for decades. Because if the root problem is the brain involuntarily napping in fragments, then every teacher who said, just try harder, and every boss who said, you need to focus, was essentially telling someone to stop falling asleep without knowing they were ever asleep in the first place. And the researchers? They think the fix might not even be a drug. It could be sound-specific auditory tones played during the night to strengthen deep sleep, which may reduce these micro-blackouts the next day. No prescription required. No side effects listed. That idea is still being tested. Whether it actually works remains, conveniently, unanswered. There are roughly 366 million adults worldwide living with ADHD. If a disordered sleep mechanism is quietly driving a condition that's shaped their entire lives, their careers, their relationships, their self-worth, that's not a neuroscience story. That's something much heavier, and we're only just starting to ask the right questions.